Okay, Sheriff Kimbrough, just wanted to ask you about the use of drones in the school system, why you're using it, how will it help you all keep schools safe?
As we talked about it, the drones is not to spy on anyone. The drones are no different than cameras you see inside of a school. It's just these drones just happen to have the ability to be more mobile. The purpose of them is, as we talked about, a critical incident. A school goes on lockdown. Students arriving in the mornings, students leaving in the evening, incidents that may take place during the day where we need to launch one. Our purpose is preventive. Our purpose is being able to identify and respond. That's the sole purpose of what we call drone in a dock.
Okay, great. And tell me a little about, you said this, as far as you guys know, this is the first in the state to use
Without
this?
question,
Yeah.
without question. Drone in the docks are not even being used in the state for school security. They're not. Drone in the docks are not being used for security. Some of the power lines use them, or the power plant use them to basically launch them on a timeline to cover the lines and to make sure that the power plant's not being tampered with. They have them on timers. But in terms of security and law enforcement, no, ma'am.